of the next year. So it will create impact on firm's profit and loss. So I hope it is clear. Moving towards the second point of this adjustment, कि rupee 1 lakh should be charged annually to cover management cost. Rupee 1 lakh should be charged to cover charge annually to cover management cost. So what it is mentioned, annually. Annually means 1 lakh is paid every year. So from the profit of every year you have to deduct this 1 lakh. So you will get the adjusted profit, and from that you can calculate the amount of goodwill also. I hope it is also clear. So next question is question number 29. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. So old ratio is 3:2. C is admitted for 1/5 share. C is also admitted for 1/5 share. C brings 30,000 capital, 10,000 is goodwill. At the time of admission of C, goodwill appear in the business 3,000. Here is one extra information given, that is goodwill appear. For this goodwill appear, I already told you the entry in previous chapters. So same entry you have to pass in this question chapter also. What will be the entry? I am going to repeat it again. But apart from this, new profit sharing ratio is already given 5:2. Old ratio, new ratio, both are given. You just have to calculate the sacrificing ratio, and after that you have to pass the entry for capital and goodwill. And for this goodwill appear, there is one entry. For this goodwill appears, there is also entry. What is the entry? So the entry is old partners capital account debit. Entry is old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. This is your entry for the distribution of goodwill already appear, being the goodwill appear written off in old ratio. What you have to write the narration? Being the goodwill appear written off in old ratio. So you have to distribute this into old ratio, because it is distributed among old partners. That's why old ratio will be used for it. So I hope it is also clear. Moving towards the last question of this topic, that is question number 30. So the question is, Anu and Bhagwan were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:1. Anu and Bhagwan are the partners and ratio is 3:1. Goodwill appeared in the books at 4,40,000. What is goodwill appear? 4,40,000. And I already told you in the just few minutes ago what will be the entry for goodwill appear, same as we have done in this question number 29. So Raja was admitted to the partnership. New profit sharing ratio among Anu, Bhagwan and Raja is 2:1. Old and new both are given. Raja brought 1 lakh for his capital and necessary cash for goodwill premium, and goodwill of the firm is valued 2,50,000. Goodwill of the firm is valued 2,50,000. So just have a look how to solve this question. So here is the question and the data which is given to you in question, that A and B are the partners, 3:1 is the old ratio, and R Raja is admitted, and new ratio becomes 2:1. So this is your new ratio. Apart from this, Raja brought his capital as rupee 1 lakh, and goodwill of firm is given, not Raja's goodwill is given, goodwill of firm is given rupee 2,50,000, and goodwill already appear rupee 4,50,000. So these are the data given to you. You just have to find out the sacrificing ratio first. First you have to find out the sacrificing ratio, and you know how to calculate it. So old ratio minus new ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. So old ratio of A is 3/4 minus 2/5. 3/4 minus 2/5. So it becomes, take the LCM, 4 5 3 is 15, 5 4 4 2 is 8. So it becomes 7/20 for A. For B it is 1/4 minus 2/5. Again LCM becomes 24 5 and 5 4 4 2 is 8. So it becomes minus 3/20, which means A is sacrificing. A is sacrificing, but B is gaining. So these are the two data given to you, and you have to pass now the entries. What you have to do now, you have to pass the entries. So before calculation of entries, you have to calculate the goodwill of Raja, because it is mentioned in question that Raja brought his capital 1 lakh and contribute necessary amount of goodwill. So goodwill of firm is 250. So first we have to find out the Raja's share or R's share of goodwill. R share of goodwill. R means Raja. You have to write Raja in exam or in your notebook or for at the time of practice also. So Raja's share of goodwill is 2,50,000 is for the firm, multiply by share of Raja, that is 1 by 5. So it becomes 50,000. So Raja's share of goodwill is 50,000. Now just pass the entries. So entries are cash account debit to C, sorry, not C, it's R. R's capital account, Raja's capital account, to premium for goodwill account. This is the entry which I already told you, premium for goodwill account. Now what the amount you have to mention? So capital, amount of capital is rupee 1 lakh. Amount of capital is rupee 1 lakh and amount of goodwill is rupee 50,000. So total amount brought in by, sorry, it's 1 here, is cash become, so total cash will be debited by 1,50,000. Whatever goodwill brought in by Raja, that is distributed among sacrificing partner. So for that entry will be premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner. Who are the sacrificing partners? So A is sacrificing but B is gaining. A is sacrificing but B is gaining. And I told you whosoever will be gain, that becomes debit. जो भी gain करेगा उसे क्या करना होगा? Debit. So B's capital account debit to sacrificing, and the sacrificing partner is A. So to A's capital account. This will be the entry. So the amount, how to put the amount? So this thing I already told you. First we have to write the premium for goodwill, and for gain of B, you have to find out the goodwill of the firm. But here no need to find out because it is already given to you in question. 2,50,000 goodwill of firm is already given to you in question, that is 2,50,000. So just calculate the B's gain, because B is gaining. So calculate the B's gain. So B's gain 2,50,000 goodwill of firm into gain of B. So B is gaining by 3 by 20. So divided by 3 by 20. So 12,500 into 3, that becomes 37,500. It becomes 37,500. So you have to debit B by 37,500 and the total comes at the credit of A. And if you want to calculate this amount, then you can also solve it by this way. 2,50,000 into 7 by 20, because this was a share of A. So you can write here A's sacrifice. So 0, 0, 2, say 12,500. So 12,500 into 7 becomes 87,500. Apart from this, goodwill appear was also given to you in question, and I told you for goodwill appear entry is old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. So who are the old partners? So A and B. So entry B, A's capital account debit, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill account, You have to write the narration also. Don't forget to write the narration, because if you will not write it, then definitely you will lose some of your marks in exam. So amount of goodwill appear is 4,40,000. Amount of goodwill appear is 4,40,000. So just divide this 4,40,000 into the old ratio. Old ratio is 3:1. So it becomes 3,30,000 and 1,10,000. So I hope it is clear. So now we are going to start the next topic under the treatment of goodwill. So the next topic is, before this there is one small topic which we left, that is when premium for goodwill is paid privately. So in case of goodwill paid privately, the thing is C paid the goodwill but not into the firm, and we have to make the account of the firm. We have to make the accounts of the firm, but new partner paid the amount of goodwill privately to the parts. So that's why in this case for goodwill, there will be no entry. इस केस में गुडविल के लिए हमें कोई एंट्री नहीं करनी होगी. सो फॉर गुडविल आई एम आस्किंग फॉर द न्यू पार्टनर शेयर ऑफ गुडविल ओनली. इफ न्यू पार्टनर इज ब्रिंगिंग कैपिटल देन यू हैव टू डू दिस एंट्री कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल. बट फॉर गुडविल वी डोंट नीड टू राइट दिस प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल. व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट फॉर गुडविल, वी हैव टू क्लियरली राइट नो एंट्री. इफ़ यू विल नॉट राइट इट, अगर आप ऐसा सोचें कि देर in this case we don't have to pass any entry, so just forget it, just leave it, don't write anything. No. So if you will not write anything, you will not get the marks. For this you have to write no entry, then you will get the marks. So I hope this question topic is also clear, because whenever goodwill is paid privately, then you don't have to pass any entry for goodwill. I'm saying for goodwill. If there is capital, then you have to pass this entry. If there is any goodwill appear, then you have to pass this entry. But for goodwill brought in by new partner, means जो भी new partner की goodwill होगी, for that you don't have to pass any entry if goodwill is paid privately. So I hope this topic is clear. So the next one is premium for goodwill brought in kind. Premium for goodwill brought in kind. So brought in kind means in this case new partner is bringing amount of goodwill but not in form of cash. He is bringing the amount of goodwill in some other forms, either in the form of assets or anything else. Means assets के form में goodwill को new partner यहाँ पे लेके आता है at the place of cash. So how to use and how to pass the entry in that case? So it's very simple, because you all know that the cash is also an asset. You know that cash is also an asset. So if new partner is bringing the amount of cash, then also in that case also you have to do what? You have to debit all the assets instead of cash. जैसे कि हम पहले क्या करते हैं कि initially we are doing cash account debit to whatever it is, capital or sometime it is goodwill, that thing we are doing. So this time at the place of cash you have to write the name of the assets. So you have to do what? Assets account debit to capital and to premium for goodwill. I hope it is clear. So we are going to just read the question, that is question number 31. So here is the question, that is premium for goodwill brought in kind. Kind means at the place of cash goodwill is brought in form of some assets. So the question is, X and Y are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. On 1st April 2019, they admit Z as a partner for 1/4 share in the profit. So here you have to apply the first case for calculating the new ratio, and after new ratio you have to find out the sacrificing ratio also. Z contributed following assets towards his capital and for his share of goodwill. क्या बोला है कि कैपिटल और गुडविल के प्लेस पे, एट द प्लेस ऑफ कैपिटल एंड गुडविल, Z contributed the following assets. What are the assets? So stock 60,000, debtor 80,000, land 1 lakh and plant and machinery 40,000. So total becomes 80, 60, 140, 140, 240, 240, 40, 2 lakh 80,000 is the amount of assets. 2 lakh 80,000 is the amount of assets. And on the other side, on the date of admission of Z, goodwill of the firm was valued at rupee 6 lakh. What is the goodwill of firm? 6 lakh. So you have to pass the general entry for the admission of Z. What you have to do? You just have to pass the general entry for the admission of Z. So X and Y are the partners in the same question. Z is admitted for 1/4 share. So first you have to calculate the new ratio. So for that, let the future profit be 1. We have assumed the future profit as 1 rupee, or you can say total profit. Instead of future you can use a word that is total profit also. आप future profit के place पे total profit word भी use कर सकते हैं. So how to solve it? First of all we have to pay 1/4 part to Z out of it. So 1 minus 1/4, that becomes 3/4. That is your remaining profit. You know it. How to calculate the new ratio now? So for new ratio, X will get 3/5 part of this 3/4, which means 9/20. Y will get 2/5 part of this 3/4, which means 6/20. And for z, share of z is 1/4. To make the denominator equal, we have to multiply it by 5, so it becomes 5/20. So the new ratio of x, y and z is 9:6:5, which is your new ratio. Your new ratio is 9:6:5. Now you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So in short, I am saying it becomes 3:2 only. Sacrificing ratio क्या आ जाएगा आपका 3:2. So what entry you have to pass? Initially what we were doing, we debit the cash. Now we have to debit the assets. So what are the assets? So we have stock, so we have to debit it by 60,000. We have debtors in question of rupee 80,000. We have land of rupee 1 lakh, so land account debit 1 lakh. We have machinery of rupee 40,000, so we have to debit machinery, means you have to debit all the assets. And what you have to credit? So you have to credit the capital of z to z's capital account, and apart from this you have to credit the premium for goodwill also. So how to calculate the premium for goodwill? So for that, please have a look. Goodwill of firm is already given to you. That is 6 lakh. So you have to calculate the goodwill of z's, means z share of goodwill, in short z/w. So share of z will be 6 lakh into it is 1/4. So 6 lakh into 1/4, it becomes 1,50,000. So z share of goodwill is 1,50,000. So you know that goodwill of z is 150. So what will be the capital? So just add them. So total becomes 280. Out of 280, 150 is the goodwill, which means remaining 130 is the amount of capital. Remaining 1,30,000 is the amount of capital. So I hope it is also clear. After this, you have to distribute this goodwill into the sacrificing ratio, or you can say sacrificing partners. So this topic is completed. So for the remaining topic, I'm going to make a next video, so please wait for that. Till that time, just have a look over this video and try to solve each and every question. And if you have any doubt, please send that doubt to me. And after watching the video, just write down your name at the comment box, so that I can come to know that you have watched it. Okay, bye bye, thank you.